our public schools district supervisor, Dr. Lani J. Lison, our education program of kindergarten, Mrs. Chutima P. Panigsoro, our ever dynamic principal of Upland Elementary Schools, Ms. Wilma and Pralisa, dear teachers, my lovely parents, my fellow kindergarten computers, honored guests, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to all. Thank you for being with us. We all deserve to celebrate and be proud to ourselves. We are happy for this big milestone in our young lives. On behalf of the kindergarten computers, school year 2023-2024, it is with joy and pride